I don't know if y'all can tell, my quarter panel is completely mixed match and we're gonna fix it today. Thank you to my friend Andy. Shout out to him, follow him on Instagram. Makes some wonderful photos and videos. I think let me use his driveway, so appreciate him for that. After cleaning my slate, I'm probably hit it with 600 grit and see where it goes. Now I'm no pro, but from you guys see it, it lost its gloss a little bit at 600 grit. I use a random orbital. I don't really want to film it because I kind of don't have my tripod and I'm not pro, so you don't need to learn. But I'm hoping once I tape it off, it'll look good. I hope I can blend it without a lot of overspray. So let's go ahead and prep this panel. So everything's prepped. I tried rolling the paper so I won't have any harsh lines. Kind of flows better. And that's my attempt. All right, let's go ahead and hit this primer. What bad timing. My primer broke. So I guess we're gonna be painting without primer. We should be okay without any primer because this is already a previous clear coated piece. But if anything, like any bare metal showing like that, then yeah, primer is the way to go. But the only bare metal I have showing, I'm gonna cut it anyways for the wide body, so I ain't worried about it. So after about 4 to 5 coats of the white, I'm gonna go ahead and wait about 45 minutes to hit with some 2K clear. After drying for 40 minutes, we're gonna hit with some clear coat. As you know, my to-go clear coat, Maxi 2K clear. It's like a ticking time bomb unless it's 48 hours. So let's get 3 to 4 coats of this and then wait another 45 minutes or an hour and it's good to go. So after letting it sit for about a week or so, it's time to wet sand this. So if it's pretty good by itself, you don't have to wet sand it, but I prefer to wet sand it. I like to wet sand it because it's really nice with a touch. So I already hit it with my Bosch random electric orbital. I'm using my power blocks. This is outside my apartment complex. I'm not really allowed to work in my car. I'm trying to do it discreetly. I have an interface pad with a 2000 grit. And I've seen the videos from Paint Society. That's how I'm able to learn. So thank you for them for showing me a video how to cut and buff properly. So now I'm gonna do a wet sand for 3000 grit. Since we finished the 2000 grit without wet sanding, we're gonna hit it with the 3000 grit wet sanding. I feel like when I wet sand it, it's not as glossy as it was before. Let me lower it down. But it's just so much smoother. Like, ooh, it's so smooth. That's why I like wet sanding, even though it never turned out good. It feels so smooth. I love it. I don't know if you can see on camera, but you can definitely tell where it's not painted versus painted just because of the pearls. I can't do pearls, but hey, the paint is practically the same now, which before it was not. So that's a huge plus because once I do the wide body, you'll see like a little bit of where it was before. That was just off color, so that's what I'm mostly worried about. So all this is gonna get eat off anyways once the white body starts, but damn, it feels so good. All right, let's go ahead and hit it with the 8000 grit wet sand, and then we're gonna hit it with polish. Well, let's probably do like a 5000 grit. That way it's like a good in between to make it more refined. Paint Society recommends using 8000 for the final one, but I don't have 8000, so I'm gonna use a 7000 grit for the last wet sand. And that's the final wet sand. Ooh, feels so smooth. All we have to do now is polish it, and we're done. Definitely not bad for a powder can at all. And the paint matched a million times better than whatever that shop did. New day, but same objective. So I ran out of time on the last video, but now the sun's low down, it's not as hot, and you can see the color. It's not as overkill. Let me lower it down so you can really see it. See, it's not overly done killed, and it's blended in really nice. Like, You can kind of see that line right there, like kind of that wavy line right there. That's the line that was painted, but overall definitely better than how it was before. 100% I'll take it. So we're gonna go ahead and finish up and polish this sucker. And please excuse me, I'm doing a weird angle because I'm not supposed to be working my car technically in the outside of the apartment. So that's why I'm trying to keep it low key, not have a big tripod following me around, you know. We're using a Chemical Guys hex pad with a Bauer Harbor Freight polisher and the Meguiar's dual action cleaner and polish. So alright, let's go ahead and do this. I might do probably like 2 passes and we'll be calling it good. So I didn't really film too much because it's getting really dark and my power block ran out of battery, so I actually ended up running my wires all the way up to my apartment building. Thankfully I live on the 2nd floor, but the gloss, you can see the difference now. Look at that. Before, after, yeah. Definitely is a lot matte. Even though I use a 2K clear, it's still kind of matte, but hey, I'll take it. Right there, you can definitely see that line now where I painted before. But hey, the color is good. Maybe I can get it professionally done next time, but this will be fine for now. Just for the shows, and because you probably won't see that anyways, and for that wide body to cover it, we'll assess it from there. Alright. Overall, what do you guys think? It's not really super informative, but not terrible neither. I think it turned out pretty okay for what I was expecting. Like I said, not a quality body shop work, but hey, not bad work neither, so I'll take it. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. And I can't wait to coat this until I have to wait like 30 days to put any protection on it, but definitely giving tips for any painting jobs. I'm not professional. Either way, I appreciate you guys so much for watching. Again, like I said, always leave some positive vibes down below. Any concerns, questions, anything. If I don't respond, just hit me up on Instagram. So, thank you guys so much for watching again. I'll see you guys in the next video.